By this time, every single thing is confirmed regarding the S23 Ultra, and here are some of the new information regarding the S23 Ultra which you guys will love to see. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. After Galaxy S23 Ultra new official renders that were going to be used in the marketing purposes, we get the same color cases for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and these are the flip cases for the S23 Ultra which were in black, green, misty lilac and cotton flower colors. Now these colors are the main ones in the S23 Ultra. Apart from the Galaxy S23 Ultra new cases, you guys can expect S23 Ultra will going to come with the same design just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, just with the small changes that were noticeable, like the back camera lenses are slightly bigger in size and will come with different ring design than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to get the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Now interesting thing is, after we get the official renders, we get the official wallpapers of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and these two wallpapers are for the two colors, for botanic green and cotton flower. To some people these are great and to some people these are just okay, but this is what we are going to get in the S23 Ultra. The battery is something everyone is worried about, and for now no one is talking about the battery of S23 Ultra. But here's the thing, Samsung is not going to change the battery on the S23 Ultra. S23 Ultra will going to come with the same 5000 mAh battery and same 45 watt of fast charger. Here's a catch, if you're not getting a bigger battery, how is it possible to get more battery out of the S23 Ultra? Well, a power efficient processor, and Samsung is doing the same thing. As per Qualcomm, the new Snapdragon Gen 2 is 40% power efficient CPU and 45% power efficient GPU. Also, along with the power efficient processor, Samsung is adding a new light mode which will help the battery on the S23 Ultra just by limiting the high frequencies on the S23 Ultra processor. In my opinion, this will affect the battery numbers on the S23 Ultra, but don't expect big changes in the battery of S23 Ultra. Samsung started a reservation for the S23 Ultra where when S23 Ultra will be available, you get a notification, and Samsung is going to give you a $50 credit if you reserve your Galaxy device. Also, as per previous rumors, we get Galaxy Buds Pro 2 in the pre-orders of the S23 Ultra, which is amazing. Let's see what Samsung is going to do with the S23 Ultra. Samsung S23 Ultra series will going to be expensive and will come with the increased price. If you guys want to see the price of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.